How can you be sure beyond reasonable doubt that two people in two different images are the same person? This is often a vital question in law enforcement and the criminal justice system. The iReveal software is a fast, powerful system that uses the latest advances in machine learning. It extracts robust evidence from video and image input to compare and assess identities. iReveal accepts as input both still images and video sequences. A source image is one with unknown or disputed identity. We compare this to a reference image, whose identity is usually known. To prepare images for the extraction of evidence, a powerful set of fully automatic tools is provided. From just a single image at arbitrary orientation, we can generate a 3D model. From low-quality blurred input, just a single click provides super resolution, with automatic extraction of irrelevant background. Fully automatic frontal alignment and scaling of the images. Auto-link to all industry-standard paint programs. These are just some of the powerful functions available with just one click. The iReveal software allows you to extract and document evidence from the prepared images. The evidence can be both quantitative or qualitative in nature. iReveal's fully automatic face matching system enrolls the reference and ranks the similarity of the source image against all faces in the database. In this case, the source image was ranked second from a database of nearly 22,000 images, providing strong evidence for similarity. iReveal comes with its own large test database. This can be easily augmented or supplanted by a user's chosen data. A fully automated comparison of individual features and characteristics of the faces is provided. This gives an overall similarity score for the features that is easily interpretable. Direct visual comparisons can also be made. For example, a split view, to assess the symmetry and shape of features in the two images. Do the size and position of the features coincide? A semi-transparent overlay of the scaled and aligned faces allows us to see directly. Are there distinguishing marks or features? Annotate the images accordingly, and enter your observations in the comments field. All saved items of evidence can be viewed in iReveal's evidence box. The type of comparison made, the images used, the match scores obtained and your written observations are all recorded and neatly organized. When all the evidence has been gathered and your analysis is complete, just use the automatic report generator. It's a huge time saver. Just a single click will automatically export all the items in the evidence box to a Word document which can be further edited and refined as needed. Forensic facial identification is made fast, easy and accurate with iReveal. Contact Visionmetric to receive more information or to request a no-obligation trial version.